Okay, viewers, we are starting the bulletin with the breaking news coming in. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge had issued a warning, a statement which he had given to the party cadre. He had said those inactive, those who are non-performers, those who don't want to work and are unable to perform should retire or they should rest. Now, this was Kharge's statement to the Congress cadre. But now it looks like the statement has given ammunition to the BJP leaders. BJP is now saying that Kharge's comments were an indirect message for Rahul Gandhi. BJP statement, that's what the BJP is claiming. The Saffron Party further called Rahul Gandhi a liability for the Congress. Listen in to what the Congress said and the BJP's reaction to the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's statement.
जो लोग पार्टी के काम में हाथ नहीं बटाते उन्हें आराम करने की आवश्यकता है। जिम्मेवारी नहीं निभाते उन्हें रिटायर होना चाहिए। जो लोग पार्टी के काम में हाथ नहीं बटाते उन्हें आराम करने की आवश्यकता है। जिम्मेवारी नहीं निभाते उन्हें रिटायर होना चाहिए।
Mallikarjun Kharge says that those who are non-performers, those who do not contribute to party work must retire. Was this a message, a veiled one to Rahul Gandhi? Because who's the biggest non-performer in the Congress? Who has made them lose 90 elections? Who runs away from party work and escapes abroad every time party is in crisis or needs his support? It's Rahul Gandhi. So, has Mr. Kharge given a message to Rahul Gandhi? Will he implement this formula from Rahul Gandhi or will it exempt the first family of Congress?
मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ये कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस के वो नेता जो अपनी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी को फुलफिल नहीं कर सकते उनको रिजाइन कर देना चाहिए। क्या सीधा निशाना उनका राहुल गांधी की तरफ है? क्योंकि राहुल गांधी के लीडरशिप के अंदर कांग्रेस पार्टी 80 से ज्यादा चुनाव हार चुकी है। ये बात तो हर कांग्रेस का नेता अपने दिल के अंदर जानता है कि गांधी वाड्रा परिवार कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए सबसे बड़ी लायबिलिटी है।
Okay, so these are the attacks coming in from the side of the BJP. Viewers, once again listen in to exactly what Mallikarjun Kharge had to say. Mallikarjun Kharge was basically giving a message to the Congress cadre saying that non-performers must step back. BJP now claims that it wasn't a message for Congress cadre. BJP says it was an indirect message for Rahul Gandhi himself. Listen in.
जो लोग पार्टी के काम में हाथ नहीं बटाते उन्हें आराम करने की आवश्यकता है। जिम्मेवारी नहीं निभाते उन्हें रिटायर होना चाहिए। जो लोग पार्टी के काम में हाथ नहीं बटाते उन्हें आराम करने की आवश्यकता है। जिम्मेवारी नहीं निभाते उन्हें रिटायर होना चाहिए।
All right, my colleague Mohit Bhatt is joining us on the broadcast. Mohit, first of all, help us understand exactly, what Mallikarjun Kharge said, where these statements were made. I believe these were made at the CWC. What was the context of what Mallikarjun Kharge was saying and how's the BJP interpreted it?
Well, yes, in fact, you see, Mallikarjun Kharge was speaking at the...
speaking at this Congress convention. He basically gave a stern warning to the Congress members that you need to be active and those who are not able to fulfill their duties, they should retire. So that was a message that was being given to the Congress workers over there. But this has given ammunition to the BJP. Now the BJP spokesperson and the leaders are coming out and saying that Mallikarjun Kharge has given a clear message to Rahul Gandhi because under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi and post 2014, Congress has lost more than 80 to 90 elections. So clearly, BJP says that it is a message that is being given by the Congress president to Rahul Gandhi that he is not active and he should retire from the politics. So we see that how jibe is being taken by the Congress party leader, jibe is being taken by the BJP on the statement coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge, where Mallikarjun Kharge was speaking at the CWC convention, and he was basically addressing his party workers saying that you need to fulfill your duties, otherwise you should retire. But the BJP says that is the message coming in for Rahul Gandhi because under Rahul Gandhi's leadership, Congress has lost many elections, and since 2014, the graph of the Congress has come down, and perhaps that is why the BJP says that Mallikarjun Kharge has given Congress a chance, Rahul Gandhi a message, and Rahul Gandhi should retire. So we see massive politics over this particular issue, where the BJP is attacking Congress party, saying that the message that has come in from Mallikarjun Kharge is for Rahul Gandhi and not for other Congress leaders. Back to you.
Okay, so this is obviously the backdrop of the entire controversy which my colleague was bringing us. Viewers, we have another reaction coming in, another breaking news, because the BJP alleging that Kharge had given a message to Rahul Gandhi that has led to a big war of words. Congress has hit back at the BJP. They have said that Kharge's statements have been misinterpreted by the BJP. BJP is misquoting and misinterpreting Kharge's statement. A reaction coming in from Congress's Pramod Tiwari.
बीजेपी को सन्निपात सा हो गया है। सीख चीजें न सुन पाती है न समझ पाती है। मैं तो बगल में खरगे जी के बैठा था, वहीं था, मंच पर था। खरगे जी का साफ इशारा था कि सब लोग पूरी शक्ति से देश को बचाने में लगे, फर्जी राष्ट्रवाद से लड़ें। पर भाजपा को सिवा दिन रात सोते जागते राहुल गांधी के अलावा कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता। तो मैं उनसे इतना कहना चाहता हूं, खरगे जी ने सीधे सीधे कहा था नॉन परफॉर्मर, तो सबसे बड़ी नॉन परफॉर्मर तो मोदी सरकार है। सीधे खरगे जी ने कहा मोदी सरकार को अब जाना चाहिए, रिटायर हो जाना चाहिए, देश को मुक्त करो, तुमने देश को बर्बाद किया है।
Okay, so that's the statement, a clarification coming in from the Congress. Shazia Almi of the BJP has joined us on the broadcast. Shazia, what do you have to say? The Congress says that you have misinterpreted Kharge's statement, you have misquoted him. It was never a message for Rahul Gandhi. Indeed, the Congress says it was a message for the Modi Sarkar. They are saying that Congress president meant that Modi Sarkar is a non-performer and not Rahul Gandhi. How do you counter that?
You know, every day there is a very sad cover-up that happens, and the cover-up shows how difficult it is for the Congress party to defend their biggest non-performer. Either it's about the constitution, about which Rahul Gandhi says that it's about 1,000 years old, and takes away the credit from Bhim Rao Ambedkar ji. Not just that, this Mallikarjun Kharge has clearly said that all non-performers must go. And when you think of that, everybody in this country and abroad thinks of one name, Rahul Gandhi. 89 defeats, if you look at all the defeats in all the elections, from the lower elections till Lok Sabha, from the municipal to state to the Lok Sabha, you realize that he has led Congress into 89 defeats. So who's the biggest non-performer here? Rahul Gandhi. And I think it's indeed unfortunate that his party men have to defend him. It's almost like, you know, you are taking care of an errant kid who makes many, many mistakes, but somehow everybody has to come around and save him and help him. And it's one of those cases where, once again, a very miserable cover-up is being given. And why should, and Pramod Tiwari ji, I just heard him, Pramod Tiwari ji said that BJP is the biggest non-performer. So in the AICC meeting, when Mallikarjun Kharge ji says that all the non-performers within the Congress party must go and we must fight together, obviously he is referring to Rahul Gandhi and giving him a message.
All right. Thank you, Shazia, for joining us with your views. BJP is saying that Kharge's statement was a message for Rahul Gandhi. Congress says no, the remarks have been misinterpreted and misrepresented. War of Word continues. We'll keep an eye on this big story. Viewers will shift